Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can check your followed the providers on the Temu website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the Temu website, and after going to the website, what we have to do simply we have to go to the profile icon, and after going to the profile icon, you will be able to see the option for the followed and the providers here. So we have to click on the followed and the providers option. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, the new window will be open like this. As you can see, you don't have any followed providers. We haven't followed any kind of providers, so that's why it's not showing here. So let's click on the browsing history now. For the browsing history, you will be able to check your browsing history, that what you have searched for, and you will get all information here. So we have to click on the browsing history here. So let's click on this browsing history option. So as you can see, you don't have any recently viewed items. If you want to view, for example, let's see how it works. For example, I'm going to search for the sunglasses. So let's click on the sunglasses. We are going to search for this, and we are going to view this, as we can see in the browsing history option. As you can see, for example, I'm going to view this item. So let's click on this. So as you can see, I have viewed this item. Now what we have to do, we have to click on this option, and after clicking on this option, what we need to do, we have to click on the browsing history option. As we can see, is this added in our browsing history or not? So let's click on this, and let's go to this, and we have to click on the browsing history. So let's click on this. As you can see in the browsing history, our item is added here. So in this way, you can track your browsing history and the followed providers in these both options. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.